We've got a beautiful group of fabrics this morning that I want to share with you. And of course, I'm doing this like this for several reasons. Number one, Orangeade is what they're calling this color, and it's probably one of the prettiest colors I've seen in a long time. It's just a really beautiful orange, but it's just lovely. And if you don't wear orange, if you can't wear it, put it on the bottom half, and if you can wear it, put it all over, because it's really beautiful. I put these together then also so that you could really see the colorations. I know a lot of times one of the things you all say is, does this match this? You can't see the matching of the colors. So I've put them together so that you can see how they coordinate together, and I think that will help you coordinate outfits. This is a wool poly blend. It's a beautiful, beautiful fabric. It has stretch in both directions. It's like the weight of a pantoroma. So it's going to make just a beautiful top and bottom. It'd make a beautiful suit, pants, bottom. It's just lovely. Great drape, beautiful piece of fabric. This, again, I want to show you colorations. This is 100% cotton. It's a stretch woven, so it has stretch in one direction in this particular case, and both sides can be used. Beautiful, again, piece of fabric. Notice it's a little bit lighter than this orange. This is a little deeper, a little bit lighter. Then we have this beautiful sheer. It'd be great for like 94 Brooks. Halsbrook off-shoulder poncho, the brand new one that we've got. It'd be lovely for that because you're going to wear it over like maybe a white tank or an orange tank, something along those lines. But you can see as you put this over this, how nicely they blend. A little bit different color, but how nicely they blend. Same with that, a little different base color, but they blend really nicely. This is a little lighter orange. This is a cotton poly blend, has little gold flecks all throughout. And then this we have is a cotton knit. It has 100% cotton knit. It has stretch in both directions. And again, just a beautiful piece of fabric. If we compare this with this again is a little darker, but I think they blend really pretty. I would wear them together, but I'm putting them together again purposely so you can see whether you prefer them or not. I added in the white because if you are not an orange person, make a little jacket out of this. 920 would be great, 922, all of those, 921, all of those jackets we have that are casual, or even like a 1500 or a 1900 would be great. This is a herringbone weave. So it's like a denim, except it's a herringbone weave, not a twill. There's no stretch to it. It's 100% cotton. Beautiful piece of fabric, but it'd be great with a jacket and then like a pair of pants out of either one of these. Very lightweight and very pretty. 100% cotton. This is 100% viscose. This is from Italy. They're all from Italy, but this one specifically has a tag on it. So this is a lighter color. So this has stretch in both directions. This is really a top weight. Very beautiful piece. It could be a lightweight pant, but just a really pretty jacquard print. That's not a jacquard, I'm sorry. Just a really pretty print. It's a one-sided print. That's not reversible. All right, so all of these are happy sewing to start off our spring with, and oh my, beautiful stuff. Happy sewing.